In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish ideas in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your chart analysis into a clear, discoverable post that others can learn from. Start on the chart you want to share. When everything on your screen looks the way you want it presented, look for the Publish button at the top of the chart. Click it, then choose Publish Idea. This opens the editor where you'll shape how your idea appears to the community. Begin with a strong title. Type a concise, descriptive headline that tells viewers what they're about to see. It helps to include the symbol, the time frame, and your bias. For example, instead of something vague, think along the lines of Gold 4H pullback into support, potential continuation. Clear titles help the right audience find your work. Next, write the content. This is where you explain the reasoning behind your chart. Briefly outline what you're seeing, why it matters, and what would confirm or invalidate your view. Mention the time frame you used, key levels, indicators, or patterns you relied on, and any assumptions that could change the outlook. Keep it structured and focused so readers can follow your logic from start to finish. When your text looks good, click Continue to move to the final details. Here, choose the type of post. Pick Analysis. If you're presenting a market view or trade thesis, select Tutorial if you're teaching a concept, strategy, or technique using your chart. Choosing the right type ensures your idea reaches the people looking for that kind of content. Then, set the investment strategy. Choose long if you expect price to rise, short if you expect it to fall, or neutral if your post is observational, or balanced. Keep this consistent with your title and content so there's no ambiguity. Select up to 3 categories that best describe your idea. Good categories improve discoverability and help TradingView recommend your post to interested viewers. Be specific and honest. Relevance matters more than breadth. Before publishing, check the box confirming you agree to TradingView's house rules. This is a reminder to keep your content respectful, original, and free of spam or misleading claims. Finally, click Publish. Your idea goes live and becomes visible on your profile and in the ideas stream. Take a moment to review how it appears and be ready to answer questions from the community. Clear, well-structured posts tend to generate better feedback and help you build a consistent track record over time.